Hello and welcome to this tapping video. So, negative thinking, does it plague you? That's what we're going to work on today. Negative thinking can be a spiral. We're going to help you get off that spiral and have a think about how that affects you. Does it seem to be in every area of your life? Is it some specific areas? Just have a think for a moment about what you want to work on. Work out where you are and where you'd like to be. Obviously, this is just a short 5-minute videos. We're just going to get into some of the basics. But just want to help you get into a more positive mindset, just letting go of that negative stuff that we don't need to hold on to. So when you're ready, tapping on the side of your hand. So I just want to be open to letting go of these negative thoughts and this negative thinking style. And instead, I choose to accept me now. All these negative thoughts, negative ways of being, is it really doing me any good? Maybe a lot of it's under the surface. What if I could start to let some of this go today? And instead, I choose to love and accept myself anyway, and anyone else that might be involved. But I just feel like I'm consistently in a negative thought pattern. All this negative thinking. What if I could interrupt that today? Just for a moment. What if I could let that go? So I choose to love and accept me now anyway, and anyone else that might be involved. All these negative thoughts, these negative thought patterns. I feel like it just gets in the way so much, and then it ends up ruining so much of my day. Thinking negatively about myself, thinking negative about situations, then end up in complaint mode, then I end up beating myself up, then it ends up just being a complete cycle. What if I could be open to letting go? What if I could start to become more aware? What would happen if I didn't let a thought pass me by? What if I could be more in control of my thoughts? What if I get to choose? So anything I might think or say, anything negative, I'm just affirming that to myself. Life's no good. I can't cope. I'm no good. Everything is bad. They're just affirmations. I want to start to change that today. What if I could just get to choose? What if I could let go of this negative thinking pattern? What if I could interrupt that now? What if I could just let it go? What if I could just start to choose to search for the negative, search for the positive, sorry. What if I could just choose to search for all those positive things that are happening in my life, rather than focus on the negative? Just focusing on some good things that have happened today. There might be some little things, like what I had for breakfast, the fact that I got to eat, unlike a lot of the world, the fact that I made a deal, or someone smiled at me or said something nice. Whatever it is, I choose to start to focus on the positives. I get to choose. Rewiring my brain. Tapping into feelings of success and abundance. Tapping into feelings of happiness and self-love. I get to choose. Not anyone else. Not my partner. Not the next door neighbour. Not the cat down the road. I get to choose. I'm letting go some of this cycle now. Letting go some of these old patterns. I get to be in my power. I get to choose. And it feels so good. I choose to break this cycle today. I choose to tap into awareness. I won't fall asleep anymore letting those thoughts pass me by. And it feels so good to know that I can be in control. That's brilliant. Take a nice deep breath for me. Breathe out. And as you breathe out, notice how you feel. Notice what came up for yourself there. I want you to focus on those positives. I want you to get yourself a gratitude diary, a space where you can write these down, noticing the positive rather than focusing on the negative. And I want you to write this down every day, repeat this video every day, repeat this video over and over, really to get into this mindset. Please let me know how you get on. If you need any more support, drop me a message. And I'd love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Change for Success, loads more videos on there. And I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay positive.